Here we go. Yay!
Hello friends, how are you doing? Today it's snowing in Vancouver.
That's right. Look at that. It's white everywhere.
Yeah, friends. So friends, we got some snow from the ground.
That's right. So it's the time to make another snowman.
Yeah, in our balcony.
Yes, this time we'll make it in our balcony.
Yeah.
So we got some snow blocks. Yeah. And using the yes, we
and a
got some
penguin.
branch. Yes, we got some blocks, and using those blocks,
And we have
we'll
carrots.
make one snowman.
Yay!
Yes, let's see how it goes. Hopefully, it will be fun to make one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Last time we have a great fun, and hopefully this one we'll try to decorate a little more. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Lights.
yeah, with the lights and put some muffler and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Let's see how things goes. Yes,
Yeah.
it's the Christmas time,
Yeah.
so it's a fun time. Yes, awesome. Let's start. So we'll build block by block, okay?
Yeah.
So now, what do you do?
We need to
Here's the body. Here's the body.
otherwise it'll fall.
Yeah. What do you do is hand. Yay! Our snowman, look at that. He's getting in there. Yeah? Awesome. How you wear muffler the same way? Yeah. Hit on nose. For that one. Wait. Nose. Hit. Yay! So, our snowman nose. light, but yeah, our snowman, no eyes. See? Come. So we got some lights also. Yeah.
How about the fires? Fires are something like that.
So we got snowman here. Logs, cars, everything. Fantastic looking. Look at that snowman. It's amazing. So our snowman is ready. Yes, you have all accessories and it looks nice, and you got a tree also. Yes, this is Snow Wonderland. Looks amazing, Aunt.